Hey Truly Beauties, welcome or welcome back. If you are new here, make sure you press that subscribe button. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up because I am dropping gems. Truly Beauty sent me these products to try, and from previous experience, I was always satisfied with the products that I bought from them. So I was extremely excited to try these out. I love Truly Beauty also because their products are clean, vegan, high performing, and luxurious products. The link to the products and the discount code will be down below. So let's just jump right into it. First, Blueberry Kush Body Scrub. I use this prior to shaving to exfoliate the skin. You will want to exfoliate prior to shaving to get all of the dead skin off and to get off any potential ingrowns. This scrub is one of a kind with using 1,000 blueberries, vegan collagen which helps with anti-aging, 300 milligrams of cannabis sativa which will have you feeling relaxed, organic coconut with AHA and BHA boost. Coconut will give you hydration, while the BHA gets deeper into your pores to remove dead skin, which will improve your skin's texture, leaving you with baby smooth skin. Next, I'm going to go in with Cocoa Cloud Shave Butter. The texture reminds you of clouds or whipped cream. I love this shaving butter because unlike other shaving cream, it's really hydrating and smells amazing. It has vanilla, coconut, argan oil, white tea with vitamin E boost, which helps repair damaged skin. While applied, it can fade away any dark spots or blemishes over time. Then I'm going to go in with Unicorn Fruit Whipped Body Butter. It has acai, which fights against aging, chia seed CO2, which helps with acne and scarring, matcha to rejuvenate your skin for that extra glow, with rose water and collagen boost. After the shower, I'm going to use unicorn fruit all over my body to moisturize my skin. It has the same properties as the body butter I applied in the shower, leaving my skin beautiful and radiant. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start my skincare. We had to make sure that our hands were nice and clean prior to applying any type of things on our skin to prevent any breakouts or anything. We just want to eliminate that. Finally, we're gonna go in with the skincare. I'm going to use the Mary Jane CBD Glow Mask. It has 200 milligrams of CBD, vitamin A, which helps prevent the breakdown of collagen. It does offer some extra protection against sunburn, but I do not recommend using this as a replacement. More of a extra coverage. So it has cannabis sativa, caffeine, and glycolic acid boost. Caffeine can decrease redness and puffiness in your skin, and the glycolic acid helps to brighten your skin, giving you an even skin tone and making your skin appear smoother by making those larger pores appear smaller. Thank you so much, Truly Beauties, for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, again, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you press that subscribe button and check the description box below for any links and discount codes that I may put there. Thank you, Truly Beauty, for sponsoring this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.